Hi pa! Ready na ako for the game later ah.
Ayun, sabay na tayong makakapanood mamaya.
Nagpadala na rin ako ng pang food trip mo.
Uy, Kim!
Hi, Tito Pao!
May takbo ulit?
Yes po, getting ready for a marathon. Mauna na po ako. Lu,
See you.
Pa, I sent you an Emerald Health Pass na ha. Magpa-check up ka na po as soon as you get it, okay? Love you, pa.
Salamat, Nak. Uy, pretty and pink naman ang lulay ko. Kala ko ba ayaw mo ng pink? Siguro may date ka, no?
Pa, bata pa ako noon tsaka I've grown to love all colors as a fashionista.
Okay, may fashionista. Miss lang naman kita. O, ingat ka, anak, ha? Regards to Kim.
Sige po pa, una na rin po ako. Bye pa!
Bye! Oh, Lulay, may sunshine! Bakit gising ka pa? Late na dyan, ah.
Pa, there is something I've been wanting to tell you. It's about Kim and I. She's more than
Someone who deeply loves you and cares for my one and only Lulay. Alam mo, anak, wala kang dapat ikahiya or ikabahala. As long as you are happy and Kim, I'm happy.
Thank you, Pa. Thank you so much.
I love you, anak.
I love you, Pa.
Uy, di ba crush mo yung reporter na yun?
Hoy, hindi na kaya.
Dahil ba nakilala mo na si Kim?
Siyempre naman, Pa.
Bye!